Hello students, I welcomes you in our session of Human Resource Management and Development. In last session, we had discussed the syllabus of Human Resource Management and Development. So today we'll start our first chapter to the introduction of Human Resource Management. The first point given in our syllabus for Human Resource Management, that is concept of human resource management. So human resource management is mostly related to human beings. We can say it related to manpowers. So in this subject you're going to learn how particular company manage the human resources of their organizations, how they recruit them, how they train them, and how they maintain human resource in their organization. So basically, human resource management is related to the management of the manpower. We can say management of man. The management of human resources is very critical and challenging work in the organization because it is of dynamic in nature. So in every day it changes very drastically. So it going to be challenge for the organization to manage the human resources. As in the organization there are so many procedures, they use the many machineries, so we can easily operate, we can manage that machineries, and we can shift them from one place to another place or to their locations. But along with machineries and other resources, peoples are people are the resources for the organization. We can say human are the resources for the organization. But managing human resources is somewhat difficult than the managing of machineries because every person is different than other. So company has to mold them according to the requirement of the organization. So this is another concept of human resource management. The human resource management is the process of managing people of an organization with a human approach. The human resource management is the approach through which organization can utilize the manpower not only for benefit of the organization but for the growth, development and self-satisfaction of the concerned people. So in this concept, company have to grow company along with the people. So while growing company, while managing company, they have to consider the growth of human resources, their development, their satisfaction. So only due to these factors they can retain the right person in their organization. Then the human resource is involved in providing human dignity to the employees, taking into account their capacity, potentiality, talent, achievement, motivation, skill, commitment, grit ability, and so on. So, in human resource management, company have to consider the skills of every employee. They have to motivate each and every employee. They have to develop their careers. They have to retain them for long time, then it will be the benefited for the organization. The next, that is human resource has a paramount importance in the success of any organization because most of the problems in organization setting are human and social rather than physical, technical or economical failure. As I told you that the human resources are different than the machineries and other resources. Every human is different than the other human. So it is a critical, and the major problems occurs in the organization is not only due to the technical and economical failure, but it due to the human and social factors. The human resource management is concerned with the people dimension in management. So, as we discuss, human resource management is mostly related to the people in the organization. So, people in organizations are assets to the organization. So, they have to develop their skills, motivate them to achieve the objectives of company as well as achieve the objectives of their own. Then we'll discuss definition of human resource management. So this is first definition of human resource management. It is the human resource management means it is the process of managing people in organization in a structured and thorough manner. When company manage human resources in structured and thorough manner, then only there will be the positive impact on the organization and there will be the increase in the productivity of the organization. So human resource management in process of managing of human resources in the organization in a structured manner means it is in a particular format. They have to mold them in a particular format according to the requirement of an organization. The human resource management means not only the selection of human resources. The human resource management in organization, it starts from the need recognition of the human resources, then recruitment, their selection, their staffing, then orientation, placement, then selecting their salary, developing their structures, then managing their performance, training them and develop them according to the requirement of an organization. The another definition given of human resource management is the management of people in organization from a macro perspective, that is managing people in the form of collective relationship between management and employees. So I think macro and micro concept you may be learned in some other subject. So micro means related to particular industry or particular firm, and macro concept is a broad concept which is collective to the industry. So in human resource management, it is not only related to particular firm but it is at a macro level. So while managing people, company have to consider the broader concept of human resource management. It is a collective relationship between management and employees. So while managing resources, human resources, the human resource manager have to consider the objectives of company as well as objectives of the employee. So they have to make a integration between the management as well as employees. The human resource management always focus on the objectives and outcomes of the HR management. We can say, in other words, the human resource management is management functions that helps manager to recruit, select, train and develop organization members, or it is a process of making efficient and effective use of human resources so that the set goals are achieved. So we can say human resource management is nothing but efficient and effective use of available human resources for the organizations that will help to the organization to set their goals and fulfill that goals. The next point, that is nature of human resource management. So human resource management is a universal in nature. It is applicable to all organizations. It is a broader concept. It is a universal in nature, means everywhere, every firm, every organization, they have to manage the human resources. Human resources also managed in education, in healthcare and recreation. The next nature, that is action oriented. So human resource management is a action oriented. So it is a action rather than keeping records, written procedure or rules. So human resource management is not a keeping any records or not a written procedure or rules. They have to take actions, and every time action is different because every time people are different and situation are different. The next, focus on people dimensions. So while managing human resources, company have to consider the dimensions of a people. So as we discuss, the people are different, every person are different. So they have to focus the dimension of each and every person working in an organization. Then cordial integration. So as human resource management, it is a integrating functions. They integrate employees to the management. So there is a coordination or integration of human resources with the management. Then always it is a growth oriented. So company always influence their employee to achieve more and more objectives, to achieve more and more efficiencies in their work. So managing people in a good manner, it will helps to efficient and effective use of human resources. Then challenging functions. As I told you that people are complex and they are dynamic in nature. Everybody's nature is different than another one. So it is a very challenging task which human resource department has to perform. Then next point, that is supplementary services. So in organization there are some functions which there are some departments they are working. So marketing department work for selling a product, production department work for producing a product, but human resource department is a supplementary services. Directly they are not taking part in the production activities, but they are facilitating the production and marketing activities. So it is a supplementary in nature. And next, that is multidisciplinary functions. So multidisciplinary functions, when there are different concepts, there are different factors which affect on the human resource management. The human resource management is not a single disciplinary function, it is a multidisciplinary, means it is a sociology, anthropology, economics, psychology, etc. The human resource management, it is an ongoing process, means it never ends. Every time they have to work, and every time there is a new and challenging work, challenging activity which have to perform by the human resource department. So students, today we have discussed the introduction to human resource management. In today's lecture you learn meaning of human resource management, then concept of human resource management, some definitions of human resource management, and nature of human resource management. So in next lecture we will learn the another topic. Thank you.